Hello, Cornerstone. I want to bring you up to date on what's been happening here on our physical building here on our campus. And so we're going to take a little tour today and just see a few of those developments. So hang on and we'll take a little trip outside and then we'll go inside and even to the elevator shafts. I came to the office one day and all of a sudden, wow, so much equipment was gone and so much gravel was swept off the parking lot and so many things cleaned up. I thought, wow, is this the same place? But yes, it is. There is still work to be done outside, but it does look a lot better from the road. The old cross was retired. A lot of the concrete work has been done. There needs to be some asphalt work done, and all these pillars have not been completed, so there is a little bit more by way of masonry work to be done here. But it's looking good. Oh yeah. Got to make that hole just a little bit bigger for the elevator.
Yeah.
But it is working at least.
Yes.
A little bit of drywall work done in here. Patching some spots. Some holes. Up high and down low. Another change had to take place because there was a doorway here. If we left it there, then it wouldn't be in the secure part of the children's area, or at least the more secure. And so that doorway was closed off, and then this doorway was opened up. So Noah's Ark has a little bit of a hole in the side. Oh, too much water doesn't get in. Things are shaping up here in the hallway. We've got a doorway that used to go into Ben's office, and now this is being prepped to get ready to close that off completely. So this is the other side. And it looks pretty rough right now, but before too long, it will be a very nice classroom. Moving from the education wing down the hallway, I see they've put these metal strips here because that's where the drywall is going to go in this new hallway that we have. Restrooms off to the right, classroom off to the left. And the other major thing that happened this week is we got some work done on the elevator. I'll give you a view of what's going on with that. All right, we have the makings of an elevator. There is a floor. It moves up and down. It works. The car is not in it yet. The sides are not in it yet, but it does work. Here we are down here. This is going to get knocked out. But you are getting a good look at the elevator, and this would be the control room for the elevator here. Just to give you some orientation, that's 267 out there. Come in, elevator, take you up to the second floor to where the offices are. Go down on the elevator, you go down to what would be the living room and also the kitchenette, and there's going to be at least one classroom down there. If you went up these steps, let's say you want to get a little bit more exercise and, beef up your Fitbit a little bit, then you can come up these steps. Temporary floor right now, but here's the floor of our elevator. Of course, it's just scabbed in is what I would call it right now, but that's probably not a very good term, but it does work. And then eventually you'll be able to go right in through here and go visit the offices. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed filming it and seeing the progress day by day. We are looking forward to the opportunity to open this up to the public, to have a big celebration when we get this completed. We're still a couple of weeks out from getting our roof approved and started on, so some of these things are just primed and ready to go. As soon as that roof gets finished up, then we are going to move quickly. So thank you so much for praying for us and supporting this project. Thank you so much for your interest. We'll see you next time.